I'm here at the Neolt stand at FESPA. I'm with Ettore, and we have a new launch here. So, Ettore, tell us all about this one, please.
Yeah, of course. This one is the jumbo factory packaging line. It means that we work together with Canon to deliver to customer the possibility to make and create boxes like this one, also with a small quantity, with the total possibility of personalization, matte and gloss. We're starting with a jumbo roll of 500 kilograms that feed automatically into the Colorado, matching the speed, and then an XY cutter to cut unattended. So putting the productivity to the limits.
How have visitors reacted?
Customer react really amazing because we already introduced last year the jumbo wallpaper line in cooperation with Canon and the poster one. This one was really incredible for customer because they really understand the possibility of the Colorado combined to our finishing machine.